Welcome back to the series of lectures on computer networks. Myself V.V. Sivaram Raju of SRKR Engineering College. As we are discussing ATM network protocols, now we will discuss about ATM logical connection. The objective of today's lecture is to demonstrate ATM logical connection. Before starting today's topic, we have to recollect the disadvantages of frame relay. Flow control and error control mechanism is not available in frame relay. This should be taken care by upper layers. Delay may be varied due to variable length frames. Due to varying delay, it is not possible to send videos. To overcome this, ATM maintain fixed size cells and ATM logical connections. ATM logical connection. The logical connection in ATM are referred to as virtual channel connection (VCC). A VCC is similar to a virtual circuit in X.25. It is a basic unit of switching in a ATM network. A VCC is set up between two end users through a network with variable data rate in full duplex mode. VCCs are also used for user network exchange and network exchange. That means it is used for control signaling and network management routing. Virtual path connection is a bundle of VCCs that have same endpoints. The virtual path concept is developed in response to the trends in high-speed networking. The virtual path technique helps for cost control by grouping, connection, sharing common paths through the network into a single unit. We have several advantages of virtual paths. Simplify network architecture, increase network performance and reliability, reduce processing and connection setup time, enhance network services. Call establishment using virtual paths. The call establishment flow is shown in the flowchart. The process of setting up virtual path connection is separate from process of setting up individual VCC. The virtual path control mechanism include calculating routes, allocating capacity and storing connection state information. To set up virtual channel, there must be a virtual path connection with sufficient capacity. The virtual channel is set up by storing required state information. That means mapping between virtual channel and virtual path. Virtual channel and virtual path terminology. Virtual channel VC describes the unidirectional transport of ATM cells associated by a common unique identifier. Virtual channel identifier VCI, unique numerical tag to identify particular VC link for given VPC. Virtual channel link, link between two endpoints identified by VCI. Virtual path VP describe unidirectional transport of ATM cells belongs to virtual channels that are associated by unique identifier value. Virtual path identifier identifies a particular VP link. Virtual path link, group of virtual links identified by VPI. Virtual path and virtual channel characteristics. ITU recommended characteristics of virtual channel connections are quality of service. Quality of service specified by cell loss ratio and cell delay variation. Second one, switched and semi-permanent VCCs. The switched VCC is on-demand connection which requires a call control signaling, whereas semi-permanent VCC is long durable connection. Cell sequence integrity. A sequence of transmission cells within VCC is preserved. Traffic parameter negotiation and usage monitoring. Traffic parameter can be negotiated between a user and the network for each VCC. Control signaling. In ATM, a mechanism is needed for establishing and release of VPCs and VCCs. The exchange of information involved in this process is referred to as control signaling. For VCCs, four types of control signaling is done. Semi-permanent VCCs may be used for user-to-user exchange. In this case, no control signaling is needed. Meta signaling channel used as permanent control channel. User to network signaling virtual channel used to set up VCCs to carry user data. User to user signaling virtual channel used by two users without network intervention to establish and release of VCCs. Coming to VPCs, there are three types. One is semi-permanent, customer controlled and network controlled. In coming videos, we are going to discuss about ATM cell format and ATM services.